Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Camouflage Bush in Heartopia. So guys, this is one of the items for bird watching hobby, and if you want to have or if you want to unlock the Camouflage Bush, you need to reach level 6 in your bird watching hobby, and then you will be able to purchase the Camouflage Bush from Bailey J. You just need to visit her store, go to the central square, and he's at the second floor, and you're going to go to the bird watching store. Then you can purchase it here. You can purchase it with wishing stars or with golds. I'm going to purchase with golds. I'm going to buy 5. Okay, I've just purchased the Camouflage Bush, and then we can use it during the bird watching activity. Okay, wait guys, I've just started the break bird event guys, and I would like to recommend you to use the Camouflage Bush during the event. I'm going to go to my inventory, and I'm going to use this Camouflage Bush like this, and it will be so helpful in capturing a bird. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain or unlock the Camouflage Bush in Heartopia. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.